Okay, children. Morning we are seeing the quadrilateral. Closed four-sided figure is called the quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral we are going to say about square, rectangle, rhombus and parallelogram. So in square has got four sides. All the four sides are equal. You have already learnt about that. Now so this is the figure of a square and put the diagonals also. Now we write the sides, vertices, diagonals in this about the closed figure. So a square has a four equal sides. So a four equal sides. What are the four equal sides? That is PQ, this is one side, and QR is the second side, and RS is the third one, and SP is the fourth one. These are the four equal sides. So you can write PQ, QR, RS and SP. These are the four equal sides. And now four vertices. Vertices means this is the corner. So P is one corner and Q is another one, R and S. So four vertices. So square has got four vertices. P, Q, R, S. So that is the four vertices is the four corners, and then the two diagonals. So what are the two diagonals in the square? So we have already seen this. So what are the two diagonals? PR and QS. So you write that one also. While you are writing, you have to write the alphabets together. Two diagonals are PR and QS. So these are the two diagonals. So four equal sides is PQRS and four vertices is PQRS. Sorry, four equal sides is PQ, QR, RS and SP. Four vertices is PQRS and two diagonals are PR and QS. And these diagonals are always equal in length. It won't differ in any length. So these are the two diagonals that is equal to PQ, that is equal to QS. So in this square, these are the 4 points. And for example, for this is this carom board, chessboard. So this two is enough, carom board and chessboard, because all these four sides are closed figure. And then the dice. So dice is one side of the dice is closed figure. That is also you can take it as an example. And now the next one is the rectangle. So rectangle also has four sides and two diagonals, and all that will be the same, but not all the four sides are equal sides. In rectangle opposite sides are equal, but the diagonals also will be equal. And in rectangle, we can say how is it possible in rectangle and what are the points you have to write. The same points only as it is we have seen in the square. So you draw the rectangle W, X, Y and Z, and draw the diagonals also. And draw the diagonals. So W, X, Y, Z is the rectangle, and the diagonals are middle in between the two diagonals. Now we have to write the four sides. What are the four sides? So WX one side, XY is the another side, and YZ is the third one, and ZW is the fourth one. So you can write WX, XY, comma, YZ, comma, and ZW. These are the four sides. Now four vertices, I said four vertices is the four corners. So you can write four vertices. What are the four vertices? W, X, Y, Z. So these are the four vertices, W, X, Y and Z. And it has got the two diagonals as it is in the square. So two diagonals are, what are the two diagonals? So diagonals will be the same in the as it is in the square. So in this, square will be the same, but in rectangle opposite diagonals are equal. So the opposite two equal diagonals is what? WX, that is equal to XZ. So in this, opposite sides are equal. So these are the four properties, opposite sides. Okay, opposite sides are equal. So four sides wx, xy, yz and zw, and four vertices is w, x, y, z. Then two diagonals is wy and xz, and opposite sides are equal in rectangle. For example, for this is mat and a blackboard. For example, mat and a blackboard. Can you understand, children? So square and rectangle, you know the differences. And now we will move on to the rhombus. So rhombus will be like the diamond in shape. So this is the rhombus L, M, N, O, and the two diagonals is M, O and L, N. But these two diagonals are not equal in length. It will be the different. But in square and rectangle, the diagonals are equal in length. Okay. So it has also got the four sides as it is in the square and the rectangle. So a rhombus, it has four sides. Four equal sides. What are the sides? L, M. So start from here. L, M, M, N, N, O and O, L. So you can write like this. L, M, M, N, N, O and O, L. And then four vertices. Four vertices means I said that is the four corners. So four corners is, this is the corners. So that is L, M, N, and O. These are the four vertices and two diagonals. What are the two diagonals? That is L, N, together you can write, and M, O. So these are the two diagonals. But these two diagonals are not equal. Two diagonals are not equal in length. Not equal. Okay, so this is the rhombus. So all the four sides will be the equal L, M, N, O. So one side is L, M, N, N, O and O, L. And then four vertices is four corners L, M, N, O. And then two diagonals. So two diagonals is L, N and M, O. But these two diagonals are not equal in length. So this is the rhombus. And the next one is parallelogram. So for this example is, we can do the kite as an example for this rhombus. And one more is the tiles. We are using the house for this tiles. And now the next one is parallelogram. Parallelogram, that is the lines will be the parallel, that is called this as a parallelogram. So draw the lines like this. This is the parallel lines. So this is called the parallelogram. So E, F, G and H. So in this parallelogram, you don't have the diagonals, only the sides. So it has got the four sides. So four sides is EF, FG, GH and HE. So these are the four sides of the parallelogram. And vertices. Vertices I already said that for vertices, that is the corners. E, F, G and H. These are the 4 vertices. And the opposite sides are parallel and equal. These 2 sides are parallel and these 2 sides are parallel. இது ரெண்டும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சேமாக இருக்கும், and இது ரெண்டும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா parallel. இது வந்து இப்படி slanting parallel இருக்குது, இது வந்து இப்படி parallel இருக்குது. So these 2 sides are the opposite sides are parallel, but they are equal in length only. Opposite sides are parallel, but they are equal. Equal in length. Okay, so this is the parallelogram E, F, G, H. So these are the 4 sides is E, F, F, G, G, H and H, E. And 4 vertices is the 4 corners E, F, G and H. And opposite sides are parallel, means these 2 are parallel, will be the parallel lines, and these 2 are the parallel lines. Their opposite sides are parallel, but they are equal in length. Well, this all both the sides will be the equal in length. So now I'll write, I'll draw the picture. You just write the name of the sides on the diagonals. Just take a paper or any notebook and you draw the picture and tell me the sides and the diagonals. Write the name of the sides. You have to write the name of the sides and the diagonals also. So I'll draw the picture now, and you have to write the sides. So square, and this is the rectangle. So draw like this and put the diagonals in everything. So you can draw at home and practice. See this no. Okay. Now So now you can write the sides and the diagonals. So what are the sides here? AB, BC, CD and DA. So write like this: AB, BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Then diagonals is AC and BD. And here in this picture, WX is equal to XY is equal to YZ is equal to ZW. And diagonal is WY, this one is WY and XZ, comma. And then here for this PQ is equal to QR, that is equal to RS, and that is equal to SP. And sides are, diagonals are PR and QS. And this one is EF is equal to FG is equal to GH and HE. So the diagonals will be the EG and FH. So for square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram and rhombus. So these are the sides and this is the diagonals. Okay. So practice this at home, children, and do it by yourself, and you can find out which are the sides and which is the diagonals. You can find out and do it by yourself. You can draw the picture and you can even color also. You can put the colors and then you can put the lines, diagonal lines, so that you can see the differences. So that easily you can write the sides and the diagonals. Okay. Okay, now I will give some of the words that you must be learnt at home. So what are the words I are given? You make a practice at home. While I am saying the words, you listen and pronounce properly. Okay. So now you write the words and write closed. Then quadrilateral, quadrilateral. Then diagonals. So these are the new words for you. So learn at home, learn the spelling also. Opposite, equal, and then rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and square. So learn these words, children. So learn the spelling and learn these words, children, at home. So next class we will see you again, children. Thank you.